Hi guys! Today we want to unbox this HG P407 Tamiya Bruiser clone kit from Banggood. Spare parts and the ready to run version are available as well. The links are down below. Of course I chose the kit version. Transmitter, receiver, ESC and servos are not included. I will use my DIY open source Arduino 2.4 GHz remote. Here you can see some details. Most mechanical parts as well as the frame are made of metal. The coolest feature of this truck is its mechanical 3-speed shifting gearbox. Now let's unbox this thing. Toyota. Looks like they had license issues. Or maybe it's just Chinglish. Ta-da! We are in. First we have stickers and manuals. The next item is the car shell in Chinglish, or the body in English. Then we have a main axle bracket, or maybe a frame. And of course wheels. It looks like the axles are already assembled. The gears appear to be metal. The enormous 3-speed shifting gearbox is pre-assembled as well. Last but not least, we have an accessory box, screws and so on, I think. Now let's crack the body box open. There is a box in the box. What's inside? Small parts. Everything is packaged nicely. And finally the body part. We also have seats and a dashboard. Bumpers and small parts, chrome parts, covers, lenses for the lights. They are already painted. The front grille, servo saver parts, a big electronics box, and finally a chrome roof for the bed. Now let's have a look at the paperwork. Toyota, come on, pay your license fees. Then we have two manuals. One for the kit version and one for the ready to run and for the kit version. They look very comprehensive, just like a Tamiya manual. Main axle bracket. Hilarious. Here it is, but is it any good? At least it's nicely packaged. Wow, looks good. Everything is metal on this thing. Very nice. It appears to be very sturdy. Now let's crack the wheels box open. The tires are glued. The mounting holes are the same as in the Tamiya Bruiser, I think. The tires are relatively soft, there is no foam inside. Next items, the axles. Nicely packaged as well. It appears to be the front axle. Looks very good. Everything is metal and it spins freely. We also have a differential. It can be locked using this screw. We also got ball bearings. Nice! Let's proceed with the rear axle. The design is essentially the same, except for the missing steering, of course. The diff is lockable as well. Next packaging, the gearbox. It appears to be the same as the new Tamiya design. There are only 2 housing pieces and 1 shifting rod. It is a 3-speed shifting gearbox. 4-wheel drive is active as long as the first gear is engaged. The 540 size motor has very nice silicon wires. Looks terrific so far, but is it any good? Well, we will find out during the upcoming build video. Last but not least, we have this accessory box. Lots of labeled bags. Small pieces. A body mount. Drive shafts. Metal, of course. Leaf springs. They may be a bit stiff. Hydraulic shock absorbers. Looks like the silicone oil is leaking. Suspension arms for the rear axle. Connecting rods for steering and shifting. A metal skid plate. a hex wrench, zip ties, etc. And finally some other bits and pieces. Grease and silicone oil, and again some other bits and pieces. So what can I say so far? Looks very promising, except for the leaking shocks. So everything is ready for the kit build. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the upcoming build video. See you. Bye.